This was a project in Midtown, and we won 2 awards. One was called the Atlanta Remodeling Award for Historic Renovation.
And the winner is Bex and More Incorporated.
And we're also fortunate enough to win a National Deck Award from the North American Deck Rail Association for Closed Porch. It was just an open air deck. It had some nice Chippendale rails. You can see some of the custom cordable brackets. And they really wanted to enhance the space. It's beautiful, it's breathtaking, it really blends in with the house. Thank you to my client for engaging with us. I'm nothing without my team. The carpenters, the electricians, the painters, the gutter guy, supply houses, masons. Without everybody coming together and working as a team, we can't deliver these amazing projects.